Assalamualaikum to Dr. Sharifah and my fellow friends. My name is Amni Nazifa binti Husaini with metric number 142576, and today I want to present about the topic Food Colloidal System. The food product that I chose for this video presentation is ketchup. Hence, let's start our presentation. Let me start the introduction with a little history of ketchup. Believe it or not, the word ketchup is derived from Chinese word ketchup, in which it was a fermented fish sauce. In this video presentation, I will focus more on tomato ketchup. So, how tomato ketchup is invented? First recipe of tomato-based ketchup started in 1812, and a Philadelphia scientist, James Mees, responsible in developing the recipe. Heinz are the first company that introduced new formulation of ketchup to make it last longer. And the successful production of this brand makes the tomato ketchup become a very common condiment to eat with chips and fries. Did you guys know that ketchup is actually a colloidal suspension called salt? Salt in this product means that the solid particle is suspended in liquid. For ketchup, the solid particle is the tomato and the spices, while the liquid is the water. Solid will act as disperse phase, while liquid acts as a disperse medium. In this video, I will further explain about the relationship of processing conditions with physical properties, quality, and stability of the ketchup. As we can see, there are several physical properties of ketchup, such as soluble solid, density, and viscosity. Meanwhile, the quality and stability of ketchup can be seen as color, flavor, consistency, and texture. Now, let's move on to the processing methods and conditions of tomato ketchup production. Firstly, the ingredients such as tomato paste, water, sugar, salt, spices, and vinegar will be added into the mixer and will be mixed at 2900 rotation per minute. Secondly, it will undergo preheating process to heat it up to 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Thirdly, it will undergo deaeration process to remove all the bubbles trapped. And now it will undergo homogenization at 3000 psi. Next, the tomato ketchup will undergo pasteurization at 88 to 95 degrees Celsius. Subsequently, the ketchup will undergo filling process and labeling and packaging into a suitable container such as plastic bottle or glass bottle. And finally, we will have the final product, which is tomato ketchup. In the next few seconds, I will explain more on the relationship of processing condition with physical properties, quality, and stability of ketchup. Firstly, the process starts with mixing. When the ingredient is mixed at a high speed, which is 2900 rpm, in a short amount of time as possible, this will enhance the color of final product. Next, it also improves yield of ingredient. Then, it can impart smoother texture, and finally, it can form a very stable dispersion. The second most important processing condition will be preheating. The preheating, in which we will use 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, will affect the color of the ketchup, as the lycopene will be released and makes the ketchup appear red. Then the viscosity also increases in this step. The third process will be deaeration. Deaeration is the process in which it can remove any microbubble trapped in the product. This process can also reduce the formation of black ring at the surface of ketchup on the neck of the bottle. Hence, it will increase the quality of the ketchup when it produced later on. Next, homogenization process will take place. Homogenization process also a very critical processing condition as it will affect the tomato ketchup in terms of their quality and stability. Homogenization at 3000 psi are very recommended. But if the tomato ketchup is homogenized excessively, this can break down the fibers, causing separation. Homogenization also decrease the particle size and affect the color of the final product. Viscosity also can be increased due to the tomato's natural pectin properties. And finally, homogenization also can enhance product stability and mouthfeel. Finally, processing condition for pasteurization also can be considered too. Pasteurization process, which will undergo around 88 to 95 degrees Celsius, can avoid any microbial contamination to the tomato ketchup. Pasteurization also can enhance the color of the ketchup as more lycopene is released due to high temperature. And that's all from me. Thank you.